If you haven't learned how to use AI for digital marketing and content creation, it's time to catch up. But there's nothing to worry about. We are right here to help you acquire the in-demand skills and expertise of utilizing AI for digital marketing and content creation. In this value-packed bundle that we are sharing with you, you will acquire the in-demand skills through a series of premium quality courses that will help you learn how to utilize AI, including ChatGPT and other AI tools, to help you create content, conduct digital marketing initiatives across different platforms, whether we're talking about TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, creative writing, blogging, and newsletters, in addition to learning how to utilize prompt engineering best practices that you could map across any tool, as well as editing the posts, applying your own insights, generating graphics, and much more. That way, as you go through the series of courses within the bundle, you will witness a full-on transformation. As CPD providers, you are going to be provided with premium quality information which will help you acquire the in-demand skills and expertise that makes a difference. And I look forward to seeing you on the other side.